Welcome to this tutorial on how to buy dividend stocks using eToro. If you are looking to generate passive income through dividends, eToro provides a user-friendly platform for investing. In this guide, I will walk you through the steps to get started with buying dividend stocks on eToro. First, you will need to create an account on eToro if you haven't already. Head to the eToro website and click on the Sign Up button. You can sign up using your email address or link your social media account for quicker access. Once your account is created, make sure to verify your identity by providing the necessary documents. After your account is set up and funded, you can start searching for dividend-paying stocks. Use the search bar to find stocks you are interested in. Remember to look for companies that have a history of paying dividends regularly. You can access detailed information about each stock, including their dividend yield, payout ratio, and recent dividend history, to make an informed decision. When you find a stock you would like to purchase, simply click on it to view more details. Here, you can choose the amount you wish to invest and click the Buy button. eToro will then execute your order, and you will own the stock and be eligible to receive dividends. Be sure to regularly review your portfolio and stay informed about the companies in which you have invested. Happy investing!